Rhinoplasty. Dr. Duran's ultrasonic rhinoplasty.
So how can this cage-free, free-range egg help you understand how rhinoplasty really works? So there's multiple techniques that can be used for rhinoplasty, and these have been evolving throughout the years. I think one of the biggest advancements in this is that of ultrasonic rhinoplasty. Before understanding what that is, I think it's important to outline exactly what we do during rhinoplasty procedure and what tissues are we altering. The biggest things that we are actually altering during a rhinoplasty is we're working on bone, or the nasal bone area, as well as the nasal cartilages. So in traditional rhinoplasty, we're using a chisel and a hammer. So how does this work? Basically very simple. That's what I'm doing to bone. The problem with it is the damage that can be caused to the surrounding tissues. So to better understand this, I'm basically trying to cause a controlled fracture of the bone, in this case the eggshell. And by doing that, it's really impossible for me to do that without breaking the bone, or breaking the cartilage in this situation. So in ultrasonic rhinoplasty, we're able to use this handpiece to deliver ultrasonic energy and really alter the bone selectively and very precisely. So let's see how it works. First of all, you can see this water pouring out, and that's basically just to be able to cool the bone while we're doing the cuts. So it keeps the bone healthy, nice, and less traumatized. Even if I do it on my hand, okay, that there's really no damage to my glove, no damage to my skin, but it will cut through bone. Same thing here. So you got the eggshell, which is calcified, and that's the area that represents the bone. And we're gonna be able to remove that without causing any damage or piercing the egg. So let's see how we do that. So here, with basically minimal force from my end, I'm altering the calcified part of the eggshell without piercing the egg. And this is very much the same when we do a rhinoplasty, in that we're altering the shape or rasping that hump without causing any trauma to the surrounding tissue and minimizing bleeding and bruising. Why is this important? And this is important really because your recovery is much easier, there's less pain, less bleeding, less bruising, and overall a more precise approach to the rhinoplasty technique. So I hope this helps you understand the differences between traditional rhinoplasty and something like ultrasonic rhinoplasty. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below.